Hi, good morning. Welcome back. If you're like me who always wants to take care of skin, so the term collagen likely rings a bell for you. Have you heard the name collagen? Are you aware of this word? Collagen. So get ready for a quick biology lesson for maintaining youth through your skin. I promise to keep it brief. The protein makes up of almost 75 to 80% of your skin. Collagen is the most plentiful protein in our skin. So now you can understand why it is important and it plays a large role in the way your skin looks and ages. Along with collagen, there is another protein which is called elastin. Both of these proteins are responsible for any type of fine lines and wrinkles on the skin. So as we get older, so our body's collagen level comes down. So as collagen level reduces, our skin loses its firmness and begin to sag. मतलब कोलेजन के कम होने से स्किन जो है वो ढीली होने लगती है, वो सैग होने लगती है एंड रिंकल्स appears, रिंकल्स भी आने लगते हैं. Now the thing is that how to fulfill the requirement of collagen and elastin in your body. Now there are two ways to fulfill this collagen requirement. That is, one is to take the supplement from the outside which contains collagen, and the other one is to improve the collagen building capability of your own body. मतलब हम ऐसी चीज़ों को खाएं जिसके कारण बॉडी में जो कोलेजन बनने की कैपेबिलिटी है वो इम्प्रूव हो जाए. So now this we understood that collagen is a protein and that's naturally found in our skin and that decreases with the age. For women, it's most significant during the menopause. So study shows that women's skin loses almost 30% of its collagen during the first 5 years of the menopause. And after that, it reduces almost 2% every year till the next 20 years of the age. I hope you understood. Now let's talk about the effect of sun ultraviolet rays on the skin. अब समझिए कि स्किन की जो डीप लेयर होती है जहाँ पर कोलेजन और इलास्टिन दोनों होते हैं, तो जब सनलाइट की अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज इसके ऊपर पड़ती है तो कोलेजन और इलास्टिन के बीच का जो बॉन्ड है वो ब्रेक हो जाता है, वो वीक हो जाता है, जिसके कारण स्किन में रिंकल्स होने लगते हैं. मतलब स्किन की इलास्टिसिटी खत्म होती है और वो झूलने लगती है, उसमें रिंकल्स हो जाते हैं, उसमें सैग होने लगता है, मतलब स्किन की टाइटनेस कम हो जाती है. So to recover the tightness of the skin, there are several skin treatments. These treatments involves going to a trained professional and that might be helpful in some cases. So whichever is the way, whenever we are supporting the collagen inside the body in any manner, so skin elasticity improves and it helps your body for the skin repair process and ultimately encouraging our body to form new collagen. As we already know that collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, means that is the main structural protein that forms the connective tissues throughout our body. That is from skin to bones, muscles, tendons and ligaments. So it is now sure that our bodies are not able to replace the collagen in the normal manner. For replacement, we need to take some additional supplements or need some additional, or we have to change our diet pattern. So if we consume those kind of things which will help in developing the collagen in our body. Starting from the age of 20 years, we begin to lose almost 1% of our collagen in our body every year, and which ultimately leads to a dry skin. So sun exposure, smoke, pollution, these all things accelerate collagen breakdown in our body. So make sure you are not taking it as a granted and you are taking care of your skin, because ultimately the quality of skin decides your youth and the looks, how to look 10 years younger than your present age.